This is Camila. She's our Highland cross. We got her out of a petting zoo in LA, so I think she's crossed with Dexter. That's what they told us. She could even let the kids sit on her. She's very, very sweet, and she's very, very pregnant right now. She's due in the next week. She's crossed with an Angus. I have no idea what this baby's gonna look like. Highland Dexter Angus. You can see that she's very well rounded, and you can see that her breasts are starting to fill up. It's not filling up like how a dairy cow would fill up. She's not gonna have that size of breasts, but it is filling up a little bit. I keep coming out and checking on her in the nighttime because she's due any day, and she's very uncomfortable, but I'm really grateful that it's not the hottest part of the summer. I've had cows in the hottest part of the summer pregnant and get pneumonia because they can't breathe that easily. If you've ever been pregnant, it's really hard to breathe at the end of your pregnancy. I'm glad that she's finishing in April while it's still really nice and cool out, and we're excited to see how cute her little baby looks. This is Camila, and we're looking forward to seeing her babies here soon. Cows are pregnant almost the same amount of time as humans. So it's 9 months, almost 10 months for a cow to give birth, and that is the same as a human. It's a long gestation, and she's at the very end. Camila was due on April 25th, and we are currently on May 2nd. So we're about a week past her due date. She's not showing any signs of distress. She is wanting to be scratched behind her ears. Scritchy scratch. You can see her belly is really hard, and her breasts are very, very full. You can see there's even a little bit of colostrum coming out of them. This bone is supposed to like adjust a little bit before they're ready. It's hard to tell though, with other cows, their vaginas and everything get very, very pink, but she's all black, and so you don't see any kind of pinkness there. We have no idea what this baby's gonna look like, but she is liking some massaging. You see she's raising her tail there. Oh yeah, feels good. And a little belly rub. Oh, a little pre-labor massage. I don't actually like massage that much, but when I'm in labor, the counter pressure, that's the only time I like massage. So give my cow a little pre-labor massage, and we'll see if her tail keeps getting higher like this. It means it's getting sooner and sooner. I hope that the baby's not too big and that it's a fast and furious birth that's over quickly. That's what I wish for myself when I have babies, and it's what I wish for my cows. Here we are checking on Camila for the 15th, 20th day in a row. I have my sister-in-law with me today, Sarah.
Hi.
Okay, Camila, you look kind of ready. Are you ready? We have no idea what this baby's gonna look like. I bet it's gonna be cute. Oh, my sweet girl. There's definitely a lot of milk in there. Oh, my sweet girl. Look at that belly. What is your baby gonna look like? I think it's gonna be red, because you see how she has like an undertone of red, and she's half Dexter, which are red. Okay, speculating, much speculating on how cute your baby's gonna be. Okay, lovely. I'll be back to check on you before I go to bed. I checked on you at midnight. No cow. But look at you this morning. That's a brand new wet cow. You just born. You did it all by yourself, Mama. Good first time. Pretty easy birth, all in all. You were no baby at midnight. And at 6 a.m. I come out and check you and you have a baby. I need you to lick her, or him. She's still wet and cold. You're very protective of her, though. You're laying right over her. Good mama. Who's a good mama? Who's a good mama? I don't know if you guys can see, but because her mom is half Dexter, half Highland, and her dad is a red Angus, and Anguses traditionally throw a really small cow, she is a tiny calf. I'm only 5 foot, so I'm really short, and she's very tiny. She's definitely the tiniest calf we've ever had born here on the farm. Her mom is very short already, and she's just a tiny little girl, super cute. Definitely got the color either from her Dexter grandfather or from the Red Angus father. Her mom is dark. She's all red, but she does have the long hair like her mom. She's super cute. We named her Greta. I had checked on her at midnight on Friday night. No baby. Saturday morning, 6 a.m., I came out to check on her, and the baby had just been born. We just missed it, but that means it was an easy birth, and there wasn't any, no, that's not your mom. That's not your mom. Your mom's over here. Come on, this way. There's your mom. There's your mom. Who had a baby the day before Mother's Day? You got to celebrate Mother's Day this year. She's breastfeeding. She's a really good feeder already. Sometimes we have to tie a cow up and make sure that the baby gets some milk, but this baby was up and breastfeeding within a couple of hours. Camila's not thrilled about it, but she's not kicking her off totally. It's really good to see a calf breastfeeding on its own. We've only had 2 other calves born here on the property. We had to tie those moms up and force them to let the cow breastfeed for the first couple of days till they got used to it, because they kept kicking the cow off and not letting it breastfeed. So we feel really, really grateful that these guys bonded right away, and that Camila's not thrilled about her breastfeeding, but she's letting her breastfeed, which is the most important thing. So, and she's really strong. She's standing, she's walking, she's butting her mom. She's only 3 days old, and she's super strong. So we're really excited. We were a little bit worried because the Red Angus bull that my neighbor has that got her pregnant is a really big bull, and we were like, oh, but Anguses traditionally throw a small cow, and that's one of the good things about the breed. It wasn't too big of a calf for this small cow. So we're really, really happy to see mom and baby so healthy, and to have it born the day before Mother's Day is nice. So Camila gets to be a mother for Mother's Day.